Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized.
Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tuner report for Lucas in California. Lucas got you ready to go, man. Full Truckerized package on this, upgraded finals, high cut filter, amp on off switch, clarifier mod, echo preset, you name it, it's got it. Also got the carbon fiber, a static 636L mic. I'll show you what we got here. Going to start with the RF power all the way down, 500 watt slug. There's you at 25-30 watts all the way down, so you got full adjustability if you decide to run an amp. Reel it all the way up. Right about 150. Average power swing. Hello. At 220, 225 bird. 1000 watt slug and peak. Hello. Audio. 590 PEP. This thing is rocking and rolling. Alright, Lucas, we'll get this out to you. All your wire, cable, antennas, dozy meter and all. Hope you enjoy it from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. You got wise and got truckerized. Bump bump.
Get wise and get Truckerized today.